All right, so we all know that the whole point of takeout is to not cook at home, but our next guest promises her version of takeout is better and easier than what comes in the container. Food expert Andrea Bucket joins us with more. Look, we got meat on the griddle. I already know this is going to be great. So what are we working on today?
Okay, so we're going to start out with a favorite. I know it's your favorite too, smash burger.
A lot of people don't know what a smash burger is.
Right, so the difference is you've got a CharGrilled Burger, which is done over flames. This is a flat top burger, so it's done on a flat surface. The heat is really high, and you're looking to get that gorgeous caramelized crust.
That crunch on top.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we have our meat on the grill. It's a medium ground meat. You don't want to buy lean for this, so you have to go to your butcher's and get it ground fresh.
Exactly. You need that because it needs that fat to caramelize. And then that's when the smashing comes in, right?
That's when the smashing comes in. So I'm going to get you to season that. So the only thing in this burger, this is not your grandma's meatloaf. This is salt, medium ground beef, and that is it.
That's it. It's really, really simple. The flavor comes from the beef.
Exactly. So you're going to taste that gorgeous ground beef. You're going to take your spatula and you're going to smash that burger down.
There you go.
That's it. So this gets a little bit messy, right, in the house.
Yeah, let's just make sure that comes off.
Gorgeous.
Doesn't have to be even, doesn't have to be a circle.
No.
There we go. Oh, guys, honestly, if I had to pick having one type of burger for the rest of my life, either on a grill or on a flat top, I'll take a flat top every single time.
Exactly, and so you're gonna let that sit for about a minute. They do not take long to cook. It's about a minute on each
side.
side.
Look how thin they are.
Exactly.
Right? Exactly.
And what you're looking is for that great caramelized crust. So,
meanwhile, I'm gonna do this.
Yes.
Now, bun. Let's talk about the bun. A lot of people go really fancy.
No fancy here. No. We're talking dirty smash burgers, Ben, okay?
Yeah.
So these are just plain white buns. Potato buns, as we said earlier, are the classic.
That is exactly. If you can find a potato bun at home, absolutely invest in that. It's a little bit. Brioche buns are also really good as well.
Yes.
But a plain white bun will do you just fine. But see, look how quick that happened, right?
Yeah, but you're looking for that caramel color. So you might even want to leave it a little bit longer if you're at home. All right, so we're going to build ours. Now, I'm sort of, I love my burger. Oh, yeah.
You know what?
That's all right.
We said it's a dirty burger. All right.
Okay, so let's not burn our burgers. Let's dress our burgers.
Okay. Can I put this on here?
Straight up, yep.
Okay, there we go.
I'm going to give you some ketchup.
I like mine really simple.
Okay.
I like ketchup.
People love, like, tomatoes and lettuce.
I don't. If I wanted a salad, I would order a salad.
Ben, you and I are on the same page.
Right? Thank you.
Who likes warm salad?
No, and you don't make friends with salad.
Exactly.
All right, so... And
bacon?
Bacon, of course.
Bacon.
Thank you.
Fried onions. Keep it simple.
Keep it simple. I'm going to put some... you know what? I'm just going to eat it like this.
Okay. The other key to this is to make the patties small. So they're about 4 ounces.
Yeah.
If you're going to do a double, you might want maybe 3 ounces per patty.
Oh, perfect. Come.
Beautiful. Let's do it. Okay. All right. So this next dish is Kung Pao Chicken.
Okay. Now, as simple as that was, this to me seems more complex.
It's not as complex as you think. There's a lot going on here. It's as fun to eat as it is to say Kung Pao Chicken.
Yeah.
We started in our pan with some chicken thighs. You want the chicken thighs because they're nice and moist.
Right.
All right, and we just marinated them in a little bit of cornstarch, Chinese cooking wine. You could also use sherry if you don't have that, and a little bit of soy. Throw that in the pan. The key here is to let it cook and caramelize before you move it around.
And you throw those peppers in as well.
Yes, these chili.
These are the ones that are going to add the heat.
Yeah, so there's tons of flavor here. Next up, I'm going to get you to make the sauce here, okay?
We only have a little bit of time left.
All right, so we've got Chinese black vinegar. We're going to throw all that stuff in there. Cornstarch, which is going to thicken it and give it that gorgeous glaze.
Okay.
Hoisin sauce.
Yes.
I know I'm pushing you, Ben.
Hoisin, good. Yep.
Soy sauce is next.
Okay,
and
soy sauce.
Sesame oil is after.
Sesame oil, if you want that that Chinese, that smell of Chinese food is sesame oil, I find.
So I'm putting in here some
sugar?
fresh
Is that
sugar? Yeah, so sugar's going to caramelize it and give it that great sweet flavor.
Okay.
I'm going in here with ginger and garlic and Szechuan peppercorns.
Okay.
Okay, so Szechuan peppercorns are so cool. They actually add a great dimension of flavor.
You want this in there?
Pour that all in.
Oh, wow, okay.
Beautiful.
Yeah, a lot of people just don't think they could ever make Chinese food at home.
It's just about having the right ingredients. I did give you some substitutions if you can't necessarily find what you want. Yeah. Like balsamic vinegar instead of Chinese black vinegar. A little bit of peanuts, some fresh green onions. It's all about all the textures and flavors.
And then you bake some, you get some white rice.
You got it.
And then this is a beautiful presentation. Okay, I'm going to try one of these.
Yeah.
And it is going to be spicy, so I might embarrass myself.
No, this is not too spicy for you, Ben.
Oh, delicious, Andrew. Thank you.
You're welcome.
As always, both of these recipes available on our website, yourmorning.ca.